Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I will show you how can you power off your Oppo K10 phone guys. Okay, when you press your this button, so why it do not power off, so why don't worry guys. In this video guys, I will show you how to power off Oppo K10 5G phone. So well, let's see. But before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So right now let's start video. First of all, open your phone setting. After that guys, click on system setting. Then guys, click on accessibility. Guys, click on accessibility menu. And guys, on the shortcuts, allow. Okay, then guys, you can see the shortcut accessibility menu has on. And guys, now you can power off your phone. Power. And guys, when you will click on this power off, so your phone will power off in your phone, Oppo phone. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video guys. Now we will move to next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.